So this is the RFID gate lock system or door lock system, which you can use to open your gates or your door by scanning your RFID cards here or by pressing your secret pin code. So once you do that, it will open the door for you or open the gate and then register your name online according to your tag. So once it is registered, you can now enter. Then this is the output sensor where when you are going out, you scan here and the door will open again if you are going out of the room or you are going out of the compound. So the gate will open again. So I will start up the device now and see how it starts. So once it is started, it will search for the hotspot name, the Wi-Fi name called Sanctuary Tech, which is this Wi-Fi hotspot here, which is already working. So that is the first thing. So as I start it up now, you see RFID gate lock. So next thing is connecting to Sanctuary Tech. As you can see from the screen, it is connected now. So you can see scan your, it says cam tag Zeal Estate. That is Zeal Estate is the estate that we operate this device. So we are going to scan our first tag now. So this, I have 4 tags, 4 RFID tags. This is one named Shijibomi, another named Finyifolu, this is another named John, and another tag named Adenike. So once I scan each of these tags, they will have access to enter. It will open the door. So I represent this light as the gate lock. Once you scan your tag, it will activate this light. So this light acts as the gate lock. So this is just for demonstration. So I will start by scanning my tag as Shijibomi on this place. As you can see, it says welcome Shijibomi James, gate open, and immediately the light came on. Then it will be on like that until I enter. Then the gate will close. Then it will register me online. Then if I go to my Google Sheet here, it has registered me at May 4, 2022 at 10:46 a.m. as Shijibomi. If you can see on my system now, it is RFID gate attendance 10:46 a.m. If you check the time here, it is 10:47, so that's a minute ago. So the next thing I will do is scan another tag called Adenike. So as you can see, it says welcome Adenike F, gate open, and the light switched on, which means the gate is open now. So the gate is closed and the light is off, registered. If I go to my Google Sheet, you see Adenike has been registered at 10:47 a.m. May 4, 2022. So I will go to the next tag, which is Finyifolu. I have registered all these 4 tags, so that's why they are working. Any tag that's not registered will not work. So Finyifolu scans our tag and it says welcome Finyifolu, gate open, the light is on, and as you can see, when gate closed, the light is off, the lock is off. Then it will write registered. And if you go to the Google Sheet, you can see that Finyifolu has just been registered at 10:48 a.m. If you check the time here, this is 10:48 a.m. So I will go to the last tag, which is John. So John also scans his tag here, and it says welcome John, gate open. See, the light is on. When gate is closed, the light off, then it will tell me registered, and you can check here, John has been registered at 10:48 a.m. also on the list. So here is the concluded part of the video. So I want to test if a visitor comes in, maybe wants to enter into your room or wants to enter the compound and needs to open the door or the gate. So the visitor will press this button A. Then it will change to pin code mode, and you will enter the code. I save the code here as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press hash. Then it will open the gate and say visitor. See the light. Then after 10 seconds it will close the door again or the gate. Then it will register the person as visitor. See, registered. And if you check my Google Sheet, the person has been registered as a visitor at 5:10 p.m. and look at the time. This is 5:10 p.m. 17:10. So this is how it works. So whichever one you use, either the RFID card or the pin code, you will have access to enter. Let me use this card again as Adenike. See, welcome Adenike. Gate opened. After 10 seconds, it locks the gate or the door again. Then registers that person's attendance. If I check my Google Sheet again, Adenike has been registered at 5:11 p.m. at this point, and the same time here. So now the question now remains: if I enter, how do I go back? How do I go out from the room or from the compound? That is why this sensor is there. So once you want to go out, you just wave at this sensor and it will open and tell you goodbye. After 10 seconds, it closes the gate again. So by then you can use your tag, use any of the tags, or you can use the pin code. So that is that. And if you're in the pin code mode and you want to change back to the RFID mode, just press B. So you are back to RFID mode. So, and if you want to go back, scan your hand through the sensor and it will say goodbye to you. Open the gate, and this one doesn't register anything since you are going out, so anybody can come out. But before you can come in, you need RFID tag, these tags, or the pin code. This is how it works. And if this device does not connect to this Wi-Fi router, it will not register the person online. It will just tell you not registered. So I will do a demo like that. I will turn off this router now, and I will try to restart this device. I can restart this device by pressing the key. See, so I've restarted the device. Then it's trying to connect to this router which I've switched off. Once it can't connect, it will tell me that it's not connected. So any entry I make will not be registered online. So not connected because the router is off. Then I want to scan this tag now. So my hand has scanned this exit sensor. That's why it's activated. So I will scan this tag now. It welcomes me. Gate opened. After 10 seconds, it locks the gate, but it will tell me not registered. Not registered. Why? Because the Wi-Fi router is off, and there is no way it can connect to internet to register me. Let's check the Google Sheet. The last person that came in was Adenike F at 5:11 p.m. and this is 5:14 p.m. so there is no registration. So to connect back, I just turn on my Wi-Fi router. Then I will wait for the router to boot. Then I will restart the system by pressing the key C. So let me wait for my router to boot up. The router is now working, so I will restart the device by pressing C. So it has restarted and it will try to connect to the router. After connection, it will tell me that it is connected. Now it is connected. Now I can scan and I can have the attendance written online. Adenike was scanned and I can see it on the screen, and the gate is opened, and after 10 seconds it locks the gate and registers Adenike online again. Registered, and if I check online, Adenike has been registered again. So this is how it works. Thank you very much. And this is made by Sanctuary Technologies, as you can see here. Thank you very much.